That's the thing I need to do, like...
Rebirth.
Yeah, rebirth. Okay. I'll change.
So nice to grab a foot.
What? That's what I need to...
No, that's not it.
He barely spawns
You
for
also
me.
need the grow bow.
Okay, stop buying all the hideous
Tung 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 sahur. Liri li lari la.
Okay, stop
tung
buying
tung
all
sahur.
those.
Liri li lari la.
Trippi
Tung
troppi.
tung tung sahur. Liri li lari la.
Trick trat bada boom.
Thing two, just making the center of my base isn't full with commons.
Yeah, I'm just gonna sell them right after. You better come if you want your tongue. It's like I sold it.
Okay, come steal your ukulele.
And it's like I'm trying to get room.
I'm gonna put Galaxy.
Come in. My thing's lagging. It's not letting me come in.
I'm placing my Galaxy Express into the craft machine.
Orcalero orcala.
Bro.
Take it. I'm gonna make it.
What? Okay, stop. You're blocking me.
Dinner's all done.
We don't like
Orcalero
this.
orcala.
Okay, I'll have a burrito.
You guys don't have
Hey!
I'm right here.
My chair. My chair.
up most of the night last
I couldn't sleep yesterday, but I still did it.
Mima, after dinner, can I have a cookie?
Can I have a cookie?
Cookie.
Can I have a dinner? Can I? What? Wait, what are we
No,
gonna do
that's
with
hers.
this?
That's hers.
That's mine.
What? What?
The chimichanga looking
so
guy.
you just have to wait.
I'm dumb.
Wait, are we doing ice cream?
Chimichanga. No.
Hi. Bees.
I hate the bees. I'll just go back and
Yeah, it's my combo. I slap someone and then I do bees.
Good
Wait.
doggy.
Ha ha ha.
Hey, can I borrow the chair? I'll give it back.
No.
Don't fall for it.
No, like actually, I will.
No.
You can even come in my base. I just wanna get the
Check
index,
on that.
and then you can instantly steal it.
No, because then you're just gonna get the diamond base one day.
Should I join on my alt account?
Or I'll just unlock your base.
No. Then try. Unlock it.
No, you
Well, if you unlock it, there's no point. You're just gonna spend Robux on it.
And then I'm gonna leave right after she spends the Robux.
Should I buy server? How much Robux do you even have?
I don't know. I can see if there's a way to see, like, if I click that.
Oh, you only have 63.
Well, no, duh.
I have.
I've been spending it.
I have.
No, you're probably gonna have more.
143.
Get money in my bank account.
You should buy server luck so we can get good things.
Oh, yeah,
Qui violi a meleoni.
I don't want them. You can have them. I'm gonna join on a different account. Just you have to friend me.
Well, why are you standing out on my face?
Because I want to see what you have.
I have those. Alright.
Bro, I just want to see.
Don't get too close because.
No, actually, I'm just going to go in your base and look.
Since it's
Wait,
your
can you
turn-
friend me? There's my username.
What?
Oh, my other account I made yesterday.
Oh, I thought it would be like chocolate milk or something.
Oh, and then there's Brooklyn's account she made yesterday. See, there's Brooklyn's account she made yesterday.
username?
That.
Just read it.
No.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna have to go plug in my phone because it's at 4%. Yeah. There. And I'll accept it. Then I gotta go grab the charger.